Hello guys, it's Louvre again. So I'm gonna show you in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use the jumper command in AutoCAD. So before that, please like and subscribe for more videos. So how to use the jumper. So all you have to do is you go to jumper. So as you can see, this is not jumper, this is fillet. So you just click the arrow down and choose the jumper. So as you can see, I don't know guys. I just do the screen record on what I am doing, but it doesn't show the it doesn't show what's showing in my command box below. So I'm gonna tell you na lang. So usually when you're doing AutoCAD, it shows in the command line down below what's the next thing to do or what command you are using. It show you there, right there. So now my screen is showing the undo, polyline, distance, angle, trim method, and multiple. So let's say for example, you have given jumper 1 by 1.2. So you just simply type the D, or you can simply select distance. It shows in the command line below, but it doesn't show on my screen record. So I'm gonna say na lang kung unsay na. So i-select lang nimo ang distance. So distance, or you just simply type D and space bar. So now that you're done typing the D or distance, you're done selecting the distance, you now provide the first jumper distance. So first jumper distance, if you are given 1 by 1.2, so you just simply type the 1 and then press enter. Then second jumper, specify first jumper distance is 1, then another is the specified second jumper distance. So 1 by 1.2, so you just simply type the 1.2 and then press enter. So now you are ready to select which line you are going to jumper. So let's see here, we're going to jump here, so you just select and then select. So that's how you use the jumper. So I will repeat guys, just in case you missed. So to use the jumper, you just simply go to here, jumper, and then you select distance in the command line. It shows you, it gives you a choices. So you just simply select distance, or you can simply type D and space bar. Then after that, you specify the first distance, the first jumper distance. Let's say 1, because the given example is 1 by 1.2. So let's type 1 and then first space bar. And then next, you specify the second jumper distance. So you type the 1.2 and then space. And now you have to select the line that you are going to jumper. So you have to select the line. So you can, as you can see, if I select this line, it highlighted. So you just simply left click one time and then left click on the other lines one time and then click. So that's how you use the jumper. So that's all guys, thank you for watching.